Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. It's Eleonora here and today I want to show you the newest PRX P which was just launched a month ago. It's called PRX Plus and it comes in this package and I'm holding the small vial which I'm going to be using on my customer today. Today, in addition to the PRX Plus, I would be demonstrating to you how I am actually doing that treatment in combination with microneedling because this is the actual protocol from the company. The difference between PRX T33 and PRX Plus is that PRX Plus is more for people that suffer hyperpigmentation. So if you are someone that have sun-damaged skin, a skin that is aging and discoloration has appeared slightly on the skin, or we can have like any sort of hyperpigmentation like post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, this treatment is for you. Instead of TCA ingredient, which was 33% with the original PRX T33, here we have ammonium trichloroacetate, which will give us this tightening effect and stimulation of collagen type 3. We also have homocysteic acid, which will give us brightening effect. The pill is medium depth, which means that goes into the dermal layer, as I already said, papillary dermis, and stimulates collagen, which is type 3 collagen, the most important collagen for firmness, improving fine lines, wrinkles, and overall will give us great skin rejuvenation. Okay, so I've got my pea solution and I need to wipe the skin with it very well. Okay, so I will give my customer a small fan in case once I start removing it, she feels quite hot, so I'm gonna give her this. So at the moment, I'm starting with traditional PRX peel, so the same movements like a lymphatic drainage, so I'm gonna start with my massage now. So I'm gonna start now. Any feeling? What are you feeling? Do you have? No. No, not at all. Just let me know when you start feeling a little bit tingling.
Okay.
Keep your eyes closed. Yeah? You might be more sensitive here because you have redness around your cheeks. Do you feel?
Yeah.
More, yeah? Mm-hmm. The consistency of the pill is slightly thinner than the PRX T33, so it's just slightly thinner, it's not as jelly, it's easier to spread and work with. So this is, like I would say, more beneficial. And another plus is that we don't need to keep it in the fridge anymore. We can just keep it in a normal cabinet and use it directly from there. It doesn't have to be in a cold place like a fridge. So with the eyes, we do simple. So we just dip in. I will lift the eyelid and I'm going to do 10 times. And then I'll wipe it with water. Area as well. And she might feel just a bit stinging. Is it stinging? Oh, it's fine.
No, it's okay.
It's okay, perfect. So I'm starting now to do the needling over the peels. I've done full PRX Plus peel, and then I'm gonna go over with the same solution and use it as my guiding agent, product. For example, similar to hyaluronic acid when you perform needling. So you can also use hyaluronic acid now. I haven't removed the peel. You can use hyaluronic acid now, or you can use any skin a kind of mesotherapy cocktail, for example, absolutely to help you glide on top. You can use also skin booster. For example, you can use, let's say, exosomes on top and just microneedle them. It's absolutely perfectly fine. At the moment, I'm just going to use exactly the same solution, and I'm going to microneedle this. And I microneedle on very kind of low setting, so superficial, 0.2, 0.25. That's it. So the minimum you have on your pen, you have to microneedle. So nothing deeper. We just want to work on the epidermal level. So I'm going to remove it with saline solution or water. So Laura, you have your fan with you, okay? So probably turn it on for me. Yeah. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Thank you. That's it. It's nothing major, to be honest. How is it? Is it okay?
Yeah, that feels much nicer.
No, of course. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
She sees herself for first time. It's like a really realistic one. Yeah. How do you feel?
Yeah, I mean it feels
it's
nice.
Good.
It feels warm. But
Feels warm. Okay.
Fine.
Good. So let me know during procedure, like I didn't even ask you, how did you feel? Like what is the experience?
It feels quite tingly at first. I would say when you're doing the microneedling it feels quite hot.
Okay.
So that bit is probably the most uncomfortable, but
okay. After
that's
that?
quite a short time, yeah.
Okay.
And then
short
after
time.
that it feels
when I removed it.
When you remove it, it's quite hot, but with the fan, like you can hardly feel it.
You can.
Yeah.
I know that my fan is quite strong, actually.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much. So I'm happy with the reaction. It's exactly what I wanted to see. The skin is red. We didn't really see any pinpoint bleedings. Maybe mild down here and there, but in general, just redness. This is what we are looking to see. So we didn't go very deep into the dermis. So just kind of more like epidermal one, and yeah, it's really, really safe treatment. The results will be much better. It's much more advanced this way when we combine together, and yeah, we will see how the skin is in a couple of weeks time. So what you have to do is just today, don't touch the skin. I've applied the cream to calm the skin, and that's it. I didn't apply any sunscreen at the moment. Skin could be a little bit irritated, so just we leave it like as it is. And anyway, outside it's going to be quite yeah, it's not really, it's raining outside, so that's fine. I just wanted to tell you that for the next like 48 hours, so avoid hot shower, steam sauna, or any active exercises. Don't swim, don't run, you know, none of that. Just relax at home. You can go to work, no problem, normal activities. The redness will disappear within couple of hours probably. It's already starting to calm down in some areas, and then what you have to do is just from tomorrow just apply your sunscreen, and you can apply, so I've already gone through those with you, but yeah, so this is our company's serum, which you have to use. Is basically repairing cream. You have to use that every day, morning and evening, after cleanse. So you're gonna use this, and then in the morning you're gonna follow up with the actual sunscreen powder, which I absolutely love. Actually, this is really good one. It's 50 plus UVA and UVB filter. It's cosmeceuticals. It's great, and they have few colors, so it's really good. So I am yeah, happy with what I'm seeing now. Just stick to the Aftercare serum and sunscreen every day for about a couple of weeks, and usually we recommend this treatment to be repeated every 2 weeks to every 4 weeks, yeah, and it's better to do about 4 sessions. This is usually protocol wise to see the maximum effect. Yeah, that's it really. Do you have any questions for me?
No.
Okay, good. So thank you. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions related to that video or would like to see more videos like that, please give me a thumb up or subscribe to my channel. You also can ask any questions in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you. And I hope I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.